What's going on, y'all, and welcome back to another edition of From Quitters to Winners. And today we're talking about those educators. Oh yeah, my teachers, my counselors, my principals, my superintendents, all y'all. I'm talking to all y'all right now because by my count, today is July 7th. So that means Juneteenth is passed, 4th of July is passed, and now we're counting down the days until our first in-service week. Yeah. August is coming. August is coming. So that means we need to start preparing our minds. We need to start preparing our spirits. We need to start preparing for the school year so we don't get burnt out. Because education, let's face it, education tied with some other categories, one of the most stressful job industries in the world, right? But it doesn't have to be. Like you can thrive in the industry if you have proper preparation. And so we're going to talk about today two specific things to help out with that. And so anytime I talk about burnout, anytime I speak to any school district about burnout prevention, stress management, any of those kind of things, I like to have the frame of a race car. Like the NASCAR that going around at 200 miles an hour, going around and around and around and around, laps and laps and laps. Here's the thing, that is a high intensity sport, like in terms of, the G-force, the pressure, the cars, and, obviously if you can make a mistake, your car gonna be up in flames. You're gonna be flying through the air. It's gonna be a whole lot of bad things happening when something goes wrong. But those that don't have something wrong, in my opinion, they are properly prepared. Like, think about it. They have a routine. The whole team has a routine. They know exactly how many tires that they're going to need. When they come in for a pit stop, they know how much fuel they need. They need how much wheels they need. They practice making sure, making sure that they change the tires in enough time for the car to get back out there. But here's the thing, if that car does not come in for that pit stop, for that refuel session, the car will crash and burn or run out of gas, in which case you're not going to win. And so here's how I want you to think about it. The first thing I want to bring to your attention is the school year. Those of you who are experienced in the realm of education, you pretty much know the ebbs and flows. You know, from first quarter to second quarter to third quarter to fourth quarter, you pretty much know all of that. So when we go back to that first quarter, I want you to look at, okay, what are the specific areas that I'm going to need a pit stop in? That's simple. That's all I want you to do right now. I want you to look at it and think, okay, Labor Day is here. Okay, first week of school, I should be cool. Second week of school might be a little tight. Third week of school, I might need a reset. Fifth week of school, when progress reports come out, yeah, okay, I'm gonna need something because I know I'm gonna be parent-teacher conferences. I'm not gonna be getting some emails. I'm not gonna be getting some. So I need to make sure I'm in a good mindset. What are you doing and what is a part of your pit stop, your refuel routine? Is it going and socializing with your non-education friend? Is it reconnecting with your family, taking your spouse on a date night, hanging out with your kids, taking your own leisure activities? And especially those of you who are coaches, who are club leaders, who are leading your choirs. You guys are leading the bands. You're directors of this and that. The schedule is about to get intense, so you have to make sure that you are properly refueled in the midst of that high pressure environment, or else you're going to run out of gas. Or else, you're going to start going off on the kids. Or else you're going to get frustrated. Or else you're going to have lack of sleep. Or else you're going to be eating things all over the place just because you're hungry instead of eating the things that's going to get you proper nutrition. You get what I'm saying? You got to have proper preparation for those pit stops, for the refuel. That's what you have to have entering a high pressure environment, because if you don't, bad things are going to happen and you're not going to be able to perform at your best, so you can't get the best out of your students. It's not rocket science. That's what you have to do in order to get for a 2026-2027 school year to be your best year, right? And now that's only the first thing. The second thing that I need you to do, and honestly, the second thing might be more important than the first thing, just quiet as kept. And the thing is, When we're going towards a goal, we will put ourselves through hell. We'll put ourselves through an immense amount of pressure, an immense amount of grind if we have a specific goal that we're trying to hit. If we are reconnected to why are we putting ourselves through all of this? So what is your goal? What is your why? Why are you doing this? Why are we in education? Why are we a teacher? Why are we an educator? Why are we a school counselor? Why am I a superintendent? Why am I a principal? Why am I an assistant principal? What is your why? I need you to reconnect back to that. Some of us are disconnected. It was a tough year last year. Some of us have had tough summers. But here's the thing. If you're in education, you're already, like I said, this is one of the top stressful job fields. You're not in this by accident. Maybe some of you are. I'll say some of you watching this, you might be just in it for I'm in between. It didn't work out, and this is the job that fell in my lap. Okay, that's cool. But the rest of you that are staying, that are really finding purposeful work and being here, what is your why? What connects you to this profession? Is it that you want to be a change agent for the communities? Is it that you had a teacher that changed the game and changed your life for you? Is it that you aspire to elevate and move up? Is it that you're pushing through your master's program? You're seeking your certification so that you can elevate and qualify to be a principal? Is it that you're qualifying to have a phenomenal program in whatever lane that what is your why? I need you to reconnect back to that. So before even the school year gets started, I need you to go into whatever it is, your prayer closet, your meditation, your quiet time, whatever it is, the still thoughts where it's just you. I need you to reconnect back to that, because it is that's going to make you persevere. It is that's going to make you push through all the BS that's about to happen. And we know it's going to happen, because if you're in education, you know. But if you know, I'm here to be a change agent. I'm here to change. I'm here to be an example that I needed. I'm here to be that for my students. For me, it was seeing my students, it's seeing my clients that are having full rides to college, that have come back from college in their first year, and they said, Mr. Kameron, it was exactly what we talked about. That's what fires me up. That gets me ready for the next year, for the next Dr. Seniors, that I'm finna help coach up and make sure that they're ready to take off to high school, that they're ready to battle their test anxiety, that they're able to battle through their resilience, that I'm able to remind them that no, you're not a failure. You're just in progress. Failure is a part of success. That's what fires me up, seeing those people. And so for you, educator, for you, I don't want you to quit, throw in the towel. I need you to go from the quitter to the winner. I need you to reconnect with who you are. I need you to reconnect with your why. What's thriving you, what's fueling you, what's pushing you to be the best that you can be, and go from that quitter to that winner. I'll see you guys next week.